Hello, I'm Ollie Mccann and this is my Nukeproof Mega 275 Carbon 2021 in yellow. The wheels on this beastly bike, DT Swiss E1700 with Michelin DH22 tyres. Works like a dream. I've got the 2020 Fox Factory 36 at the front end. Works very nicely. 170mm of travel with Kashima. I've got the Hope Tech 3 E4 brakes and calipers with Shimano rotors. I've got the Fox Factory Flotex 2 2021 with Kashima. Works amazingly. I've got a Nukeproof cockpit. The dropper is bike yoke. I've got the Miami Pink Oi Oi seats, which go well with the DMR death grips. Flangeless. So let's talk about the drivetrain. So to start off with, I've got the DMR Volt pedals. Work very well for my big feet. I've got XT cranks, XT derailleur and XT cassette. I've also got the MRP chain guide to stop your chain coming off, and it also acts as a bash guide. If you want to see some riding videos on this bike, subscribe, there'll be some coming soon. But for now, I'll show you some videos that I've already got.